Alright, so hi guys, welcome back. No worry, I'm not gonna film you. So I'm at my friend's house and I'm at my friend's house and we're just gonna do a bit of DIY in her bath. So yeah, watch us, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the floor tiles. It's peel and stick vinyl floor tiles, so you don't need no grout, nothing. They're peel and stick, so you just stick them onto the floor. So guys, these are the tools that you would need. So your utility knife, so something like this, a tape measure.
Yeah, this one.
Got a tape measure.
This.
And a chalk line. Okay. Yeah, we'll try both. We'll see both. But yeah, we'll just make do with what we have. Okay guys, so before installation. So this is what you want. Nice, clean, dry floor. So I'm just putting the tools together. So guys, when it comes to door edges, I've literally just had to literally cut a curve out of it. So this is literally just by eye, so I don't use any tools aside from this craft knife, and I was literally just curving it in. So this bit is a bit of a tricky one, but hey ho, I've got it in, so yeah. Alright guys, so we've got this small section all the way back down there, as you can see. So what we're going to do is that we're going to have to cut it, but make sure the pattern still fits within this section here. So yeah, so that's what we're doing now, to cut it out and then basically fix it so it still goes in its pattern. Yeah. So we're using the first one as a template for the next few tiles that we're gonna stick on. Yeah. So sticking it down. And it fits right in. There we go. Just ensure that the pattern is consistent. I've used like an A4 sort of paper in order to fit this. So as you can see, it fits. And then now I am going to place this on here and then literally use it to cut out the shape. So yeah, as you can see, that one's been done. 45. So guys, yes, it's coming off, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, it now fits around. So yeah, so we've got a template here, and it's literally the same shape as this section here. And we'll cut it out and use it as a template for the actual tile. So yeah. penciling out very softly the template onto the tile, which we're gonna cut out in order to make it fit. So yeah. So guys, just gonna go in with a mop just to wipe it all down. As you can see.
Give it the finishing touch.
Yeah. So no harsh chemicals, guys. Just simple soapy water would do for now. To give it a nice little finish. So guys, you can see, try to keep the pattern consistent throughout. Taking off the curtains, and I'm just going to replace it with a white one.